In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend colors in Canva. We'll start right inside the Canva editor. Open the design where you want to blend colors. This could be a social media post, a presentation slide, or any layout you're working on. Once your design is open, click on the element whose colors you want to blend. This might be a shape, like a rectangle or circle, or it could be the background of your page. When that element is selected, look at the toolbar that appears at the top of the editor. There, you'll see a color option. Click on it, and the color menu will open up on the left side of your screen. On the left panel, scroll until you find the section called Default Gradient Colors. This is where Canva keeps its ready-made gradient presets. You can click directly on one of these presets to apply it to your selected shape or background. If you want to see even more combinations, click on See All. This will expand the list and give you additional gradient color options to choose from. Don't worry about picking the perfect one right away, because you'll be able to customize the colors afterward. Once you've clicked on a gradient, it will appear under the Document Colors section at the top of the panel. Hover your mouse over that gradient swatch and you'll notice a small settings icon show up. Click that icon. A small drop-down panel will appear, showing you the current colors that make up your gradient. If you'd like to add another color to the gradient, look for the color wheel in this panel and click it. A color picker window will pop up, allowing you to choose any color you want. You can drag around the picker, enter a hex code, or pick from the suggested hues. When you select your color, it will be added as another point in your gradient, giving you a richer blend. If you decide you don't need a particular color, hover over that color point and click the plus icon that appears to remove it from the gradient. Next, choose your gradient style. Canva gives you a few preset directions and shapes for your blend, such as linear at 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 130 degrees, as well as circular options like circular at 50% and 50% or circular at 0%, 0%. Select the style that best fits the look you're going for. Finally, take a moment to look at your design and see how the colors blend together. Adjust the colors or style as needed until you're happy with the effect.